creature are you talking about, Rohit?
It was a huge, hairy, terrifying creature.
Really? I want to see it. Let's go and see it.
See? It is there.
Poor Rohit. I like the way you made use of adjectives to describe this tiny little mouse.
Use of adjectives? Really? Did I? But what are adjectives?
When you came to me, you said it was a creature. The noun creature didn't make a clear picture in my mind. When you described that further, it was a huge, hairy, and terrifying creature. I could imagine it. The words huge, hairy, and terrifying are adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. For example, a big car and a small car. Fat, thin, happy, sad, small, big, tall, short are all adjectives. An adjective is usually placed before a noun. For example, she wore a beautiful dress. Beautiful is an adjective and dress is a noun. Adjectives also describe color, size, shape, and number. An adjective also specifies feeling, touch, sound, and time.
Wow, there is such a lot to learn from you.
Rohit, had you ever thought of getting to learn adjective because of the hairy, huge, terrifying mouse?
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm your English coach. I use activities, games and exercises to teach you English and make you a master in communication. I have helped thousands of students and participants to become a powerful presenter and confident communicator. Please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to make more contents like this. Thank you.